Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop, flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's up, people? This is Influence, and I'm back with unboxing. It's the Google Mini Home. So I actually got this for free from my energy company because it came with the thermostat. You might have seen me unbox the thermostat, or you might have seen the installation. I'm doing an installation video for that thermostat as well. But yeah, so they gave me this along with the thermostat for free, which I think is pretty cool. As much as they charge for energy, I think it's good. Here's a little, you don't have to do much. And here's the actual Mini. Open it up and it's chilling. Got a nice branding on the back, Google. Got the pad, it's a different color. I picked this color just because I didn't know what color to pick. I was thinking it would match with my kitchen. You get the books, which I will be reading. Don't need those. You get this, which is the charger. Nice little charger. Google been reminding me of Apple lately, but I mean, they are basically the same company, just about. I know Apple people will disagree, but they have copied their marketing. Apple marketing is the truth. Their products always aren't, but Google's aren't either. So this is what it is, and that's all you get. And you get, I guess, the scan thing to scan it. I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, so this is the Google Mini unboxing, which has been, that was quick and painless. I like that it has the thing on the bottom so it doesn't move. Alright, the link for this will be in the description. Like I said in my other videos, if you check with your company, because if you can get this for free, get it for free. If not, hit my link. Peace.
Hip hop, I feel, I gotta say, who am I, you might say, influence, and I spit better than most in this game, provoking thought with no